This is showing a quiz style that you can get for realtors that are going to improve lead generation. All right, cool. So I started off on that dark screen because I get so bright. Like it's literally just my screen. I can't fix this. Whatever. So whenever we go in here, I'm going to show you guys what's happening. So this pops up. It's loading for the first time. It's going to take a second. So that's not the way that looks. It's just my computer being how it wants to be. Okay, so it loads and here we go. So now we have, what is your priority? What is your primary objective today? Understanding your goals helps me provide you with relevant market insights. So then we have our realtor and then we have the different options, right? So we can put their SVG logo and then their tagline at the bottom. There's more that you can do in the bottom if you want. And so as we get through this, you can see this is really professional. Their brand in the background, all of it's branded. So I'll go through this really quickly so that way you guys get a chance to see. And as the person is going through this, they're pre-qualifying themselves because now this realtor knows exactly who they're talking to. And they know exactly what they're looking for, which is pretty incredible, pretty helpful. Go down, next. All right, let's see. This probably shouldn't be a ranked question, but I'll fix that later. Anyways, you rank these, get them all the way you want them to, and then next, cool. Your absolute deal breaker, what would it be? Major repairs, not happening. Cool, what's your comfort level? 5,000, current home value, no, and no. What is your ready home? All right, so I threw this in because this is kind of the aesthetic of the realtor, and then these actually are things that, but you could put anything here, right? It's just again a little like head nod to their style. So I'm gonna go with the one that speaks to me. Who else is involved in this decision? Spouse / partner, and then what's your biggest concern right now? So then we have competition, finding the right property, negotiations, market timing. Cool. So we have these done. Now you can just kind of All right, agree to terms. Make sure you have this stuff in here. Make sure those terms and privacy goes somewhere. And now once we click through, it actually sends to the realtor's contact page. Extremely valuable to them and to her. So that way they have the opportunity to really capture all of these leads. If they didn't have something like this set up, then I would go into to the app and I would fix all of that. Anyways, if this is something that you're looking for, if you help realtors to get more clients, to, if you're handling their websites and if you're handling any of their lead acquisition, this is a great way to boost their engagement and also to lead capture, get more of their bang for their buck for their ad spend and lead capture. So I hope you found this helpful. And if you are looking for this, or if you want to build quizzes that are extremely professional and high quality, then head on over to PrettyQuizCodes. You can get that right here, and we have everything you need. So you just head on down and grab everything that you could possibly want in regards to quizzes and building them and setting these up for realtors and other niches. This was for a realtor, so you got to see that quiz, and yeah, it's that easy to set up, and I hope you found this helpful. I didn't go into much detail. I just wanted to show you like what was thrown into the app just recently. So that is a new quiz design. These are coming out routinely. If you are one of the first 150 customers for PrettyQuizCodes, you will be getting a quiz designed by yours personally. So go ahead and head on over to the app and get that today. All right, peace.